This thing cost less than a dinner out, and it just made my footage look like it was shot on a $5,000 setup. And no, I'm not even exaggerating. Stick around, because by the end of this, you're either going to want one or you're going to think I've lost it. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Sam, and today we have the Neewer FL10 light. Just so you know, this light is built around one idea: creative light, not bright light. 4 colors, 20 gobo filters. If you don't know what a gobo is, don't worry, I didn't either the first time I heard the term. It's basically a little stencil that shapes the light into patterns: window blind, leaves, you know, that kind of a thing. There's also a push-pull zoom, so you can go from a tight little spot of light to a wide flood just by sliding it. And the battery actually holds up almost 3 hours on a single charge, which for something this small genuinely surprised me. So here's the mental shift you have to make with this light. It's not trying to light your whole room, it's trying to make one corner of your frame look expensive. And once that clicked for me, I started using it completely differently. Here's the first thing I noticed, and honestly the moment that sold me. In a dim room, this light basically disappears into the background in the best way possible. You point it at a wall behind your subject, drop in a gobo, and suddenly you've got depth and texture where there used to be just flat, boring nothing. If you've ever filmed in an apartment or a small room and felt like your background looked cheap no matter what you find, this is the fix nobody tells you about. You can also switch the color depending on the mood you're going for. Warm white gives you that golden hour feeling even at midnight. Ice blue if you want something colder, more moody, more thriller. Red if you are going full music video energy. I found myself just sitting there for like 20 minutes switching colors like a kid with a new toy, which is fair because, you know, it's kind of like a toy. It's a very useful one. Now, I want to be honest here because I think a lot of reviews skip this part. It's not perfect. 10 watts is 10 watts. There's no getting around that. Get it anywhere near daylight or a room with the overhead light on and it just gets swallowed up. You won't see the pattern at all. So if you are picturing using this in your living room with the lamps on, that's not what this is for. This light lives and dies in controlled, dim or nighttime environment. I actually tested this myself, expecting to be annoyed, and yeah, in a bright room it basically does nothing, so temper your expectations. This is an accent tool, it's not a replacement for your main light, but when you use it in the right conditions, background texture for a talking head video like the kind of video you are watching right now, or maybe dramatic shadow patterns behind product shots if you sell anything or shoot product content. This thing punches way above its size and its price, and honestly, this taught me something about lighting in general that I wish I'd learned years ago. You don't need more brightness, you need more shape. This light is basically shape in a box. Let's talk build quality for a second, because that's usually where $50 gadgets fall apart. It's actually solid, aluminum body, not cheap plastic you'd expect at this price. One button controls color and brightness, which sounds too simple, but it works, and it remembers your last setting when you turn it back on, so you are not reconfiguring it every single time you use it. It charges over USB-C, and this is a small thing but it matters. You can use it while it's charging. If you've ever had a battery die mid-shoot and had to stop everything, you know why that's a bigger deal than it sounds. It also comes in this small grey pouch which is very soft, and you can keep your light in it when you are not using it. Hey guys, we just come to the end of this video, and the last question I want to ask is this worth every penny? Now, if you're someone who do content or you do product review, you do talking head videos like this, then this is definitely worth every penny. For just $50, this is worth anything. Like, trust me, if you do product shots, talking head videos, or you just need something to level up your content, then what are you waiting for? I'm going to put a link in the description so you can go get yours. And if you stayed to the end of this video, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.